Question number 101. The ratio of the work done on the wheel to the energy or head of water actually supplied to the turbine is called option A mechanical energy, option B hydraulic efficiency, option C is overall efficiency, option D is turbine efficiency, option E is relative efficiency. So correct answer is B, it will be hydraulic efficiency. Question number 102. The flow rate in gear pump, option A increase with increase in pressure, option B decrease with increase in pressure, option C more or less remains constant with increase in pressure, option D unpredictable, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is C, more or less remains constant with increase in pressure. Question number 103. Impulse turbine is generally fitted, option A at the level of tail race, option B is a little above the tail race, option C slightly below the tail race, option D about 2.5 meter above the tail race to avoid caviation, and option E is about 2.5 meter below the tail race to avoid the caviation. So I think the option D and E is almost same. So correct answer is B, it will be little above the tail race. Question number 104. Francis Kaplan and propeller turbine fall under the category of option A impulse turbines, option B reaction turbines, option C is axial flow turbines, and option D is mixed flow turbines, option E is reaction cum impulse turbines. So correct answer is B, Francis Kaplan and propeller turbines fall under the category is reaction turbines. Okay, question number 105. Reaction turbines are used for option A low head, option B high head, option C high head and low discharge, option D high head and high discharge, option E low head and high discharge. Correct answer is E, reaction turbine used for low head and high discharge. Question number 106. The discharge through a reaction turbine with increase in unit speed will be option A increase, option B is decrease, option C remain unaffected, option D first increase and then decrease, and option E is first decrease and then increases. So correct answer is B, it will be decreases. It means the discharge through a reaction turbine within increase in unit speed will be decreases. Question number 107. The angle of taper on draft tube is option A greater than 15 degree, option B greater than 8 degree, option C greater than 5 degree, option D less than 8 degree, and option E is less than 3 degree. Correct answer is D, it's less than 8 degree. Question number 108. Specific speed for reaction turbines ranges from option A is 0 to 4.5, option B 10 to 100, option C 80 to 200, option D 250 to 300, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is B, it means the specific speed for reaction turbines range is between 10 to 100. Question number 109. In axial flow fans and turbines, fluid enters and leaves as follow. Option A, it means fluid enter radially and leave axially. Option B, Option B is actually entered and leave radially. Option C, actually entered, actually leave. Option D, radially entered and radially leave. And option E is a combination of axial and radial. But correct answer is C. It's actually enter and actually leave. Okay. Question number 110. Which place in hydraulic turbine is the most susceptible for caviation? Option A, inlet and draft tube. Option B, blade inlet. Option C is guide blades. Option D is penstock. Option E is draft tube exit. Correct answer is A. It will be inlet and draft tube. Question number 111. The suction lift of low speed reciprocating pumps, option A, remains fairly constant up to water temperature of 40 degrees centigrade and is thereafter decreases slowly first and then rapidly. Option B is decreases linearly with increases in temperature of water to be pumped. Option C is increases linearly with increases in temperature of water to be pumped. Option D has no correlation with water temperature, and option E is remains constant with increase in water temperature. Correct answer is A. It means suction lift of low speed reciprocating pumps remains fairly constant up to water temperature of 40 degrees centigrade and thereafter decreases slowly first and then rapidly. Question number 112. It is possible to pump water available at ground 100 degree centigrade under atmospheric conditions using the centrifugal pump placed near the tank. Option A is no, option B is yes, option C is yes only if the pump is properly selected, and option D yes only if material of the pump is selected properly, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is A. It will be not possible. Question number 113. The ratio of submergence to lift in airlift pump with increases of lift. Option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains same, option D unpredictable, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is B. It will be decreases. Question number 114. The reaction type hydraulic turbines usually have their shafts arranged. Option A vertically, option B horizontally, option C is inclined, option D may be either vertical or horizontal depending upon capacity, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. They installed as a vertically. Question number 115. Specific speed for axial flow turbines varies from option A 0 to 4.5, option B 10 to 100, option C 80 to 200, and option D 250 to 350, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is C. It's 80 to 200. Question number 116. Specific speed of a hydraulic turbine is dependent upon option A speed, power developed and flow, option B speed, power developed and effective head, and option C is speed, head and flow, option D is speed, mean diameter and head, and option E is speed, mean diameter and flow. So correct answer is B. It will be speed, power developed and effective head. Question number 117. Kaplan turbine is option A is used where high head is available, option B has a poor part load efficiency, and option C has inlet adjustable guide vanes, and option D has adjustable runner blades, and option E is always located below the tail race level. So correct answer is D. Kaplan turbines has adjustable runner blades. Question number 118. In Kaplan turbine runner, the number of blades is generally of the order of option A 2 to 4, option B 4 to 8, option C 8 to 16, option D 16 to 24, and option E 24 to 32. So correct answer is B. It will be between 4 to 8. Question number 119. In Francis turbine runner, the runner of blades is generally of the order of option A 2 to 4, option B 4 to 8, option C 8 to 16, option D is 16 to 24, and option E is 24 to 32. So correct answer is D. It will be 16 to 24. Question number 120. A draft tube is used with option A impulse turbine, option B Pelton wheel turbine, option C is a reaction turbines, option D is a very high specific speed turbines, option E is axial turbine pumps. So the correct answer is C. Draft tube is used for reactions turbine, used with the reaction turbines. Question number 121. For a given head, the discharge through a Pelton turbine with increase in speed will be option A increase, option B decrease, option C remain unaffected, option D depends upon a specific speed only, and option E is may increase decrease depending on the length of draft tube. Correct answer is A. It will be increases. Question number 122. According to the law of proportionality for the homogeneous turbines, power is proportional to option A D into H, whereas D is diameter, H is the head, option B is D square H, option C D square H power 3 by 2, option D is under root of DH power 3 by 2, and option E is D square under root H. So the correct answer is C. It will be D square H power 3 by 2. Question number 123. According to the law of proportionality for homogeneous turbines, speed is proportional to option A under root H divided by D, and option B under root H upon D, and option C is under root H divided by D square, and option D is H power 3 by 2 divided by capital D, and option E is under root H into D. Correct answer is A. It will be under root H divided by capital D. Question number 124. According to the law of proportionality for homogeneous turbines, discharge is proportional to option A D under root H, option B D square under root H, option C D square H power 3 by 2, and option D D square H, and option E is DH H power 3 by 2. So correct answer is a B. It will be D square under root H. Question number 125. Francis turbine is option A radial flow turbine, option B axial flow turbine, option C mixed flow turbine, option D inward flow radial type turbine, option E is outward flow radial type turbine. Correct answer is a D. Francis turbine is inward flow radial type turbine. Question number 126. If pump NPSH requirements are not satisfied, it means option A it will not develop head, option B it will be caviated, option C efficiency will be low, option D it will consume excessive power, and option E is no flow will take place. Correct answer is a B. It will be caviated. Question number 127. Which of the following is not a rotary pump? Option A is gear, option B is a van, option C is a screw, option D is axial, and option E is a cam and piston. Correct answer is D. It is axial. Axial is not a rotary pump. Question number 128. Pick up the correct statement. Rotary pumps are option A. Just like centrifugal pumps, option B is suitable for both a high flow and low head. Option C is a positive displacement types, and option D is suitable only for clean and clear liquids. Option E is a pulsating discharge. So the correct answer is C, rotary pumps, and correct statement is positive displacement type. Question number 129. Impellers for high head usually have option A, high specific speed, option B, low specific speed, option C, medium specific speed, option D, any specific speed depending on flow and speed, and option E is a variable specific speed. So correct answer is B. It will be low specific speed. Question number 130. As specific speed of a centrifugal pump increases, its blade height will be option A increases, option B is decreases, option C remain unaffected, option D is increase or decrease depend on the other factors, and option E is none of the above is true. So correct answer is B. It will be decreases. Question number 131. Which of the following pumps is used for pumping viscous fluids? Option A centrifugal pump, option B is a screw pump, option C is reciprocating pump, option D is a jet pump, option E is a air lift pump. Correct answer is a B. A screw pump used for pumping of the viscous fluids. Question number 132. For flood control and irrigation applications, the pump generally used is option A is centrifugal type, option B reciprocating type, option C is axial flow type, option D is radial flow type, option E is screw type. Correct answer is C, it's axial flow type. Question number 133. For small discharge and high head, which pump is preferred? Option A is centrifugal type, option B reciprocating type, option C is axial flow type, and option D is a radial flow type, and option E is a screw type. Correct answer is a B. It will be reciprocating type. Correct answer is a B. Question number 134. Higher specific speed up to 161 to 500 of centrifugal pump indicates that pump is option A the radial type, option B mixed flow type, option C axial flow, option D any one of the above, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is a C. It's a axial flow. Question number 135. Figure below shows the variation of efficiency head and power input of centrifugal pump at various flows. Okay, and curve A is for what? Option A for the head, option B for efficiency, for C is a power input, for option D is all of the above, and option is none of the above. So correct answer is a C. It means curve A is for the power input. Question number 136. Curve B is for what? According to this figure, option A is for head, option B is for efficiency, option C is a power input, option D all of the above, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is B. It's for efficiency. Curve B is for efficiency. And now the question number 137. Curve C is for what? Curve C is option A is head, option B is efficiency, option C is power input, option D all of the above, option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. Curve C is for the head. Okay. Question number 138. Figure below shows the variation of efficiency, head and power input of axial flow pump of various flows. So the curve A is 4. First of all, you can see this graph, and there are a lot of curves, curve A, B, C, and for after the design point there is also the curve. So the curve A, it means this curve is belong to option A head, option B power input, option C is efficiency, option D all of the above, option E is none of the above. So correct answer is C. The curve A here for the efficiency. Question number 139. Curve B is for what? This curve is belong to what? Option A is head, option B is power input, option C is efficiency, option D is all of the above, option E is none of the above. So correct answer is B. It means power input. Curve B is used for power input. Question number 140. Curve C is for, reference the figure B, this figure. Curve C is for what? So this curve. So curve C, option A is for the head, option B is for the power input, option C is efficiency, option D is all of the above, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. Curve C used for the head. Curve C used for the head. Question number 141. Cavitation in hydraulic turbine results in option A noise and vibration, option B reduction of discharge, option C is a drop in output and efficiency, option D is rough surfaces, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is D. It's for cavitation in hydraulic turbine result in rough surfaces. Question number 142. The cavitation in reaction type hydraulic turbines is avoided by option A using highly polished blades, option B using stainless steel runners, option C is running turbine at design speed, and option D installing the turbine below the tail race level, and option E is all of the above. So correct answer is E. It's all of the above. It means cavitation in reaction type hydraulic turbine is avoided by using the highly polished blade, using stainless steel runner, and option C is also running turbine at design speed and installing the turbine below the tail race level. Okay. Question number 143. Runaway speed of a hydraulic turbine corresponds to the condition of option A runner revolving freely without load and without the gates wide open, option B is critical speed, option C is a breakage of the runner, and option D is a speed obtained when load is suddenly disconnected, and option E is a speed attained with a failure of governor. So correct answer is A. Runaway speed of hydraulic turbine is correspond to the condition when runner revolving freely without load and with the gates wide open. Question number 144. The runaway speed of the Francis turbine depending on the specific speed varies from option A 100 to 200%, option B 170 to 195%, option C is 200% to 245%, and option D is 400 to 500%, and option E is up to 1000%. So the correct answer is a B. It means it will be 170 to 195%. Question number 145. Higher specific speed 300 to 1000 of the turbine indicates that turbine is option A Pelton wheel, option B Kaplan, option C Francis, option D any one of the above, and option E is none of the above. So the correct answer is B. It will be Kaplan. Question number 146. Choose the wrong statement. Option A impulse type hydraulic turbine is suited for high heads. Option B propeller type of hydraulic turbine is suited for the low heads. Option C Francis turbine is a medium speed turbine suitable for medium heads. Option D impulse type turbine is a high specific speed turbine, and option E is for higher speeds. More than one runner may be employed on one shaft on horizontal shaft arrangement. So the wrong statement is D. Wrong statement is D. Impulse type turbine is a high specific speed turbine, so that is wrong. Question number 147. Choose the wrong statement for the hydraulic turbines. Option A speed N is proportional to 1 upon D, it means D diameter, and option B is power P is proportional to D square, and option C is N is proportional to under root H. H is the head and N is the speed, and option D is P proportional to H power 3 by 2, and option is P is proportional to N cube. So the correct answer is the E. Choose the wrong statement for hydraulic turbine. So P means the power is proportional to the speed power cube power 3, so it means that one is the wrong statement. Question number 148. A centrifugal pump draws in too much power. A centrifugal pump draws in too much power compared to design value. It could be due to option A air leakage, option B presence of air in the water, option C is a hot liquid, option D is a heavy liquid, option E is the reverse rotation of the pump. So the correct answer is D. It's because of heavy liquid. Question number 149. Figure below shows three curves A, B, C for three hydraulic turbines between load and efficiency. So this is the load on the horizontal line, and vertical is the efficiency. So these turbines respectively are, so option A is adjustable blade propeller ABP, fixed blade propeller FBP, and the Francis turbine FT. And okay, it means respectively for the curve A, B, C. So option A is done. It means ABP, FBP, and FT, and option B is FBP, FT, and ABP, and option C is FBP, ABP, and FT, and option D is FT, ABP, FBP, and option E is FT, FBP, and ABP. So the correct answer is B. It means for the curve A, first will be FBP. FBP means fixed blade propeller. Second is, it means for the curve second B is for the FT, it means the Francis turbine, and for the curve C it means ABP, it means the adjustable blade propeller. Okay. Question number 150. No flow interaction would occur with air vessel in a double acting reciprocating pump in the following crank angle position? Option A 0 and 90 degree, option B option B is 90 degree and 180 degree, option C is a 45 degree and 125 degree, option D is a 39 degree 34 minute and 140 degree and 26 minute, and option E is a 16 degree 34 minutes and 164 degree and 26 minutes. Correct answer is D. It will be 39 degree and 34 minute and 140 degree and 26 minute. Question number 151. Air vessel used in reciprocating pumps are initially filled with option A compressed air, option B water, option C water at high pressure, option D is vacuum, option E is none of the above. So correct answer is E, none of the above. Question number 152. Air vessel in reciprocating pump are used to option A. Option A is smoothen the flow, option B is reduce acceleration to minimum, option C is increase pump efficiency, option D is save pump from cavitation, and option E is increase pump head. So correct answer is B, reduce the acceleration to minimum. Question number 153. Saving of work done and power by fitting an air vessel to single acting reciprocating pump is of the order of option A 39.2%, option B 49.2%, option C 68.8%, option D 84.8%, option E 91.6%. So the correct answer is D. It will be 84.8%. It means saving of work done and power by fitting an air vessel to single acting reciprocating pump is of the order of 84.8%. Question number 154. Saving of work done and power by fitting an air vessel to double acting reciprocating pump is of the order of option A 39.2%, option B 49.2%, option C 68.8%, option D 84.8%, option E 91.6%. Correct answer is A, it will be 39.2%. Question number 155. According to fan laws for fans having a constant wheel diameter, the air or gas capacity varies, option A directly as a fan speed, option B square of the fan speed, option C cube of the fan speed, option D square root of the fan speed, and option E is none of the above. Correct answer is A. It means it will be the directly as a fan speed. Question number 156. According to fan laws for fans having constant wheel diameter, the pressure varies, option A directly as a fan speed, option B square of the fan speed, option C cube of the fan speed, and option D square root of fan speed, and option is none of the above. Correct answer is a B. According to fan laws for fans having a constant wheel diameter, the pressure varies is square of of the fan speed. Question number 157. According to fan laws, for the fans having constant wheel diameter, the power demand varies. Option A, directly as a fan speed. Option B, square of the fan speed. Option C, cube of the fan speed. Option D, square root of the fan speed. Option E is none of the above. So correct answer is C, it's a cube of the fan speed. Question number 158. According to fan laws, at constant speed and capacity, the pressure and power varies. Option A, directly as the air or gas density. Option B, inversely as a square root of density. Option C, inversely as density. Option D, as a square of the density. Option E, square root of density. Correct answer is A, it will be directly as the air or the gas density. Question number 159. According to fan laws, at constant pressure, the speed, capacity and power varies. Option A, directly as the air or the gas density. Option B, inversely as the square root of the density. Option C is inversely as a density. Option D as a square of density. Option E as a square root of density. Correct answer is B, it will be inversely as square root of density. Question number 160. According to fan laws, at constant weight of air or gas, the speed, capacity and pressure vary. Option A, directly as the air or gas density. Option B, inversely as square root of density. Option C, inversely as density. Option D, as square of density. Option E, as square root of density. So correct answer is C, it will be inversely as density. Question number 161. Capacity of hydraulic accumulator is generally specified as option A, quantity of liquid accumulated. Option B, maximum flow rate through the accumulator. Option C, a height rising capability of accumulator. Option D, maximum pressure developed. Option E, maximum energy stored. So the correct answer is E, it's a capacity of hydraulic accumulator is generally specified as a maximum energy stored. Question number 162. Pressure intensifier increases the pressure in proportion to option A, ratio of diameter. Option B, square of ratio of diameters. Option C, inverse ratio of diameters. Option D, square of inverse ratio of diameters. And option E, fourth power of ratio of diameters. So correct answer is B, pressure intensifier increases the pressure in the proportion to the square of ratio of diameters. Question number 163. A hydraulic accumulator normally consists of option A, two cylinders, two arms and a storage device. Option B, a cylinder and a ram. Option C, two coaxial rams and two cylinders. Option D, a cylinder, a piston, storage tank and control valve. Option E, a special type of pump with a storage device and a pressure regulator. So the correct answer is B, it means a cylinder and a ram. Question number 164. A hydraulic intensifier normally consists of option A, two cylinders, two rams and a storage device. Option B, a cylinder and a ram. Option C, two axial rams and two cylinders. Option D, a cylinder, a piston, a storage tank, and a control valve. Option E, a special type of pump with a storage device and a pressure regulator. So correct answer is C. It will be two coaxial rams and two cylinders. Question number 165. Hydraulic accumulator is used for option A, accumulating oil. Option B, supplying large quantities of oil for very short duration. Option C, generally high pressure to operate hydraulic machines. Option D, supplying energy when a main supply fails. Option E, accumulating hydraulic energy. So the correct answer is D. Hydraulic accumulator is used for supplying energy when main supply fails. Question number 166. Maximum impulse. Maximum impulse will be developed in a hydraulic ram when option A is a waste valve closed suddenly. Option B, supply pipe is long. Option C, supply pipe is short. Option D, ram chamber is large. Option E, supply pipe has critical diameter. So the correct answer is A. Maximum impulse will be developed in the hydraulic ram when the waste valve closes suddenly. Question number 167. The maximum continuous power available for a hydroelectric plant under the most adverse hydraulic conditions is known as option A is a base power. Option B, firm power. Option C is a primary power. Option D is a secondary power. Option E is installed capacity. Correct answer is a B, it's a firm power. Question number 168. A plot between power generated in megawatt and time is known as option A, load curve. Option B, load duration curve. Option C, load factor. Option D, demand curve. Option E, none of the above. Correct answer is A, it will be called load curve. Question number 169. Load factor is equal to option A, peak load in a certain period divided by average load during that period. Option B, average load over a certain period divided by maximum load occurring during the same period. Option C, average load over a certain period divided by plant installed capacity. Option D, average plant capacity utilization divided by average load or plant during that period. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is a B. It means the load factor is equal to the average load over a certain period divided by maximum load occurring during the same period. Question number 170. Average generation in kilowatt hour per year divided by installed capacity in kilowatt into hours per year is known as option A, plant factor. Option B is a capacity factor. Option C, use factor. Option D, any of the above. Option E is none of the above. Correct answer is D. It is any one of the above called plant factor, capacity factor, or use factor. Question number 171. The ratio of maximum load to rated plant capacity is known as option A, load factor. Option B, utilization factor. Option C, maximum load factor. Option D is a capacity factor. Option E is a plant factor. Correct answer is B, it's called utilization factor. Question number 172. Portion of the installed reserve kept in operable condition but not placed in service to supply the peak load is known as option A operating reserve, option B spinning reserve, option C cold reserve, option D hot reserve, option E non spinning reserve. So correct answer is C, it's cold reserve. Question number 173. Capacity of a hydroelectric plant in service in excesses of the peak load is known as option A operating reserve, option B spinning reserve, option C cold reserve, option D hot reserve, option E is a peak reserve. Correct answer is A, it's cold operating reserve. Question number 174. The specific speed of a hydraulic pump is the speed of geometrically similar pump working against a unit head and option A delivering unit quantity of water, option B consuming unit power, option C having unit velocity of flow, option D having unit radial velocity. Correct answer is A, it means the specific speed of a hydraulic pump is the speed of geometrically similar pump working against a unit head and delivering unit is a quantity of water. Question number 175. In the case of Pelton turbine installed in a hydraulic power plant, the gross head available in the vertical distance between option A fore bay and tail face, option B is a reservoir level and turbine inlet, option C fore bay the turbine inlet, and option D is a reservoir level and tail race. So the correct answer is B, it will be reservoir level and the turbine inlet. Question number 176. Match the list first with the list second and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. Okay, in the first list there are some turbines and in the second list there are specific speeds. So for the there are some options. So here is the correct answer is a C, it will be this one. It means for the Kaplan turbine it will be connected to 60 to 300 MKS. For the Francis turbine it's about 300 to 1000 MKS units, and for the Pelton wheel with a single jet it is connected to the one, this means 10 to 35, and for the Pelton wheel with two or the more jets it's connected to the D is connected to this one, it means 35 to 60. Okay, so the question number 177. The characteristics of a pump are as shown in the given figure below. Based on this figure, match the list first and the list second and choose the correct answer using the code given below in the list. Okay, so I have already solved this question. So in this graph is the head, power and efficiency on the one side and the discharge on the horizontal. So there are three different curves. Correct answer is A, and according to answer A, curve P means this curve is related to the head versus discharge. Curve Q means this curve is related to the efficiency versus discharge, and the curve R means this curve is related to the power versus discharge. Okay. Question number 178. A hydraulic power station has the following major items in the hydraulic circuit. First is a draft tube, second is a runner, third is a guide wheel, fourth is a penstock, fifth is a scroll case. So now the correct sequence of these items in the direction of flow is option A 4 2 3 1 5, option B 4 3 2 5 1, option C 1 2 3 5 4, option D 1 3 2 4 5. So the correct answer is B. It means according to the correct sequence of these items in the direction of flow will be B. It means first will be penstock, and then it will be guide wheel, and then it will be runner, and then it will be scroll case, and then in the last will be draft tube. Okay. Question number 179. The degree of reaction of a turbine is defined as the ratio of option A static pressure drop to total energy transfer, option B total energy transfer to static pressure drop, option C discharge of velocity energy across the turbine to the total energy transfer, option D velocity energy to pressure energy. So the correct answer is A. It will be static pressure drop to the total energy transfer. Question number 180. The movable wicket gates of a reaction turbine are used to option A control the flow of water passing through the turbine, option B control the pressure under which the turbine is working, option C strengthen the casing of the turbine, option D reduce the size of the turbine. Correct answer is A. The movable wicket gates of the reaction turbine are used to control the flow of water passing through the turbine. Question number 181. For attaining a non-overloading characteristic in centrifugal pump, backward bent vanes are preferred over forward bent vanes, option B forward bent vanes are preferred over backward bent vanes, option C forward bent vanes are preferred over vanes radial at outlet, and option D is vanes radial at outlet are preferred over the backward vanes. So the correct answer is A. It will be backward bent. Here is a word written as a forward, but it will be backward. So the backward bent vanes are preferred over the forward bent vanes. Okay. Question number 181. The specific speed of a turbine is defined as the speed of a member of the same homologous series of such a size that it, option A delivers unit discharge at unit head, option B delivers unit discharge at unit power, option C delivers unit power at unit discharge, option D produce unit power under a unit head. So the correct answer is D. It means the specific speed of a turbine is defined as the speed of a member of the same homologous series of such a size that it produces the unit power under the unit head. Question number 183. In reaction turbines, the draft tube is used, option A For the safety of the turbine, option B, to convert the kinetic energy of flow by a gradual expansion of the flow cross section, option C. Option C is to destroy the undesirable eddies, option D, for none of the above purpose. Correct answer is B. It will be in the reaction turbines, the draft tube is used to convert the kinetic energy of flow by a gradual expansion of the flow cross section. Question number 184. Hydraulic ram is a pump which work on the principle of option A, water hammer, option B, centrifugal action, option C is reciprocating action, option D, hydraulic press. Correct answer is A, it's a work on the water hammer. Question number 185. For a Pelton wheel, the maximum efficiency is obtainable corresponding to ratio of the bucket speed and jet speed approaching, option A 1, option B 0.75, option C is a 0.5, option D is a 0.25. So the correct answer is C, it will be 0.5, means half. Question number 186. Figure below show how the maximum efficiency varies with increases in a specific speed of the various types of the pumps. The curves applicable for radial flow pumps, axial flow pumps, turbine pump and the mixed flow pump respectively are. So you can see is a graph between maximum efficiency and a specific speed, and there are 4 different type of curves for the different type of the pumps. So you should have to answer as respectively these curves applicable for the radial flow pump, that will be 1, and then second will be axial flow pump, third will be turbine pump, and fourth will be mixed flow pump. So which curve will be belong to that one? So the correct answer is D. According to series, correct answer is D. It means curve B is belong to the radial flow pump. Curve D, then curve D is used for the axial flow pump, and third is a turbine pump and its curve is A, and the last is a mixed flow. So the C is a use for the mixed flow. Question number 187. Figure below show the relationship of maximum efficiency with increases in specific speed of the various turbines. The curves applicable for propeller turbine, Francis turbine and Pelton turbine respectively are. Okay, here is the graph between maximum efficiency and specific speed and 3 different curves A, B and the C for these 3 turbines. So the respectively applicable for the propeller turbine, Francis turbine and the Pelton turbine respectively. So option A is A, B, C, option B is a C, B, A, and option C is a C, B, and option D is a B, A, C. Correct answer is B. It will be CBA. CBA means for the curve C is belong to applicable for propeller turbine. For the Francis turbine is curve B, and for the Pelton turbine is curve A. Okay. Question number 188. Figure below shows the diagram of the air compressor. So it's a cross section of the air compressor, and that is the air pipe, and it is a ejection pipe. And option A is the jet pump, option B is a deep miserable pump, option C is a ramjet, option D is a airlift pump. Because the question is asking that is the air compressor, but what type of the air compressor is that diagram? So the correct answer is a D, it will be airlift pump. Okay. Question number 189. Figure below show the relationship between head and specific speed of the various turbines. The reasons applicable for the Kaplan, Pelton, Francis and the propeller turbines respectively are: option A is a CADB, option B is a DBAC, option C is a DBCA, option D is a CABD. So here is the graph between head and specific speed and the curves, and there are 4 different reasons A, B, C and D. So the correct answer is a D. According to answer D, the reason C, it means from this to this reason, is specified for the reason for the Kaplan turbine, and reason A, it means this reason for the Pelton wheel, and reason B, it means this one is for the Francis, and last the D means this reason is for the propeller turbines. Okay. Question number 190. Match the list first and the list second. Select the correct answer. In the first list there are the type of the turbine, and the second list there are characteristics of the turbines. So the first list is the propeller and Francis, Kaplan and Pelton. Characteristics: inward flow reaction, tangential flow impulse and axial flow reaction with the fixed vane, and option 4th is the axial flow reaction with the adjustable vanes. So the correct answer is D. It means propeller, it will be characteristics axial flow reaction with the fixed vane. For the Francis, it will be inward flow reaction. For the Kaplan, it will be axial flow reaction with the adjustable vane. For the Pelton, it will be second, it means tangential flow impulse. Okay.